Do you know what to pack in your mountain trip's medical kit? Today, we're delving into the essentials for your safety on nature's trails. Ensure you're prepared for your adventures in nature. Before you set off on a mountain trip, it's essential to have a well-stocked medical kit. The basics include cotton and sterile bandages for wound care, disinfectant for sterilizing equipment and wounds, adhesive tapes for securing bandages, sterile compresses for wound coverage or pressure application, tweezers and scissors for handling small objects and cutting bandages, hand antiseptic, basic medicines, oral rehydration sachets, first aid instruction cards, and a phone with a spare battery. These are the basic elements of a medical kit for a mountain trip. Depending on the type of trip and the mountain location, you might want to add a few extra items. Consider a thermometer, an EpiPen for severe allergic reactions, thermal foil for retaining heat, personalized first aid instructions, and even specific rescue equipment. These additional items can enhance your preparedness for any situation. That concludes our presentation on the medical kit for mountain trips. Remember, it's vital to get first aid training and to know how to use these materials. Safety is key in exploring nature. Have safe and wonderful mountain trips. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe for more tips and nature adventures. We'll surely see you on the mountain. Goodbye.